Yo guys, I hope you are doing great. Today is a new video about how you can use Google Translate to learn any language you want. I know it's been a long time I didn't record any video. I didn't have time because working, studying and stuff. My schedule was very planning, so I didn't have time. I'm very sorry, but I'm back now. I'm gonna start recording video sometime to back. So first let's start with Google Translate. So my phone it's on Dutch, so German. So let's complete. I'm gonna choose between German and English. So by the way, I'm gonna record my voice in this app. So sorry for any fault or anything. Let's start. First of all, you can use speaker like stop it. You can see the transaction. You can hear it.
Wissen Sie, nein, ich nehme meine Stimme auf. Ich spreche jetzt, und wie Sie sehen, wird sie auch.
Let's be like you see it's recording and you can see the transaction and you can
No, I'm recording my voice, I'm speaking.
So what you can use this? Let's say you trying to improve your speaking like I'm doing. You speak in speaker. When you say any word for it, you will say it. You will see that you're recording any word for it. And you can see the transaction to the language that you want, like Dutch, and you can hear the transaction and try to repeat it. Change the language, add German, speak in German, and hear that word or that sentence that you learn. It's very useful method. I hope you all doing great. Like you see, how are you? You can hear it.
Like you say hi, how are you? Wie du sagst, hallo, wie geht es dir?
Like you see it. You can change between language and you see, you can repeat the sentence that you hear and try to use it. It's very useful method. There is also camera. Camera is for photo, and maybe in Dutch, and you want to see the transaction, you can add it there. I will not click on camera now because I have my personal photo there, but you can also that two little men there interhalten because my phone in German, but you can click on it and you can see something. Didn't change the language. I didn't change the language. I should back to change to English. And you can go back to any sentence you want and you can say it. This is helpful in improving speaking and conversation and this thing. Let's stop. I should change the language. I should add. Let's stop. I should back and change. Let's see some details here. like you see. So when you see a problem for language, you can just look to language, because sometimes it's you speak English and it's been Dutch there, so you will have some fault. So it's a very useful method. I'm using it a lot personally in beginner of learning any language, because you don't have that much in words. So it's very improving to learn the most important word, the most useful word. You can learn it with this method. So I use it a lot, and very helpful in my way. So I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope you learn anything from me. So I will record also a video about how to use YouTube to learn any language you want, and this stuff. It will come soon. So I hope you enjoy. If you see any fault or anything, I'm very sorry. I'm doing my best to improve myself. So if you like this video, just hit that subscribe, and see you in another video.